tried to erase us, but we are still here. They buried our names beneath the soil, drowned our songs in the Middle Passage, burned our books, stole our gold, but they couldn't. The dream they tried to destroy, I am the proof they failed.
Can you feel them rising?
Our ancestors,
Our ancestors.
our ancestors.
Can you hear them singing?
Through our voices, we are not the first, we are the continuation.
We are the